हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू दिस चैनल। आज मेरे साथ आईएमटी गाजियाबाद के जो टॉप पैकेज गेटर है वो है हिज नेम इज सत्यम। बाय द वे, सत्यम हैज बीन प्लेस्ड इन Amazon। हम बात करेंगे प्रोफाइल के बारे में। जहां तक पैकेज का सवाल है, पैकेज भाई बहुत बड़ी लगी हुई है, बट हम डिस्क्लोज नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि कंपनी के प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं। बट नंबर बहुत बड़ा नंबर है। आई थिंक जब प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट इनकी पब्लिश हो जाएगी आप देख सकते हो। सो कंग्रेचुलेशन सत्यम ऑन दैट फ्रंट भाई। एंड Amazon में रहेगी, कुछ आइडिया है?
So basically, Amazon was offering two different kind of roles. So first was for Amazon Retail, and another was for Amazon Web Services. So I was in Amazon Web Services.
So it will be either product manager or program manager मेरे ख्याल से।
Not very sure, but it's basically on business side. So you have to manage. I think you have to manage client or something like that. Not very sure about it, but.
अच्छा, fantastic, fantastic. Are you happy with the placement?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I'm very happy.
अच्छा, चलो लेट्स गो बैक टू योर कैट का जर्नी थोड़ा बहुत। तो आईएमटी गाजियाबाद आपने चूज करा, क्या आपके जो परसेंटाइल थे उसके अकॉर्डिंगली क्या आपके पास कोई बेबी आईएम्स या फिर कोई न्यू आईएम्स ये कन्वर्ट हुए थे या फिर सीधा आईएमटी गाजियाबाद ही था?
So I have given CAT as well as JAT. So I scored nearly 95 percentile in CAT and 93 in JAT, and I got in IMT Ghaziabad through CAT score only. I had some converts from IIT Kanpur to IIT XIMB Bhubaneswar, and I was waitlisted in IIT Kharagpur. But I chose IMT Ghaziabad because it has a very strong reputation in marketing. Well, it's as we know that it's often known as Mecca of marketing. And since I was very clear from the start that I do want to get into marketing domain only, so IMT Ghaziabad made a perfect sense for me. Apart from that, I have heard about IMT's reputation. I have heard about its alumni base. Its placement report was fabulous. So all this was a reason for me to choose IMT Ghaziabad.
यार IMT गाजियाबाद को लेके ना बहुत सारे बच्चे ये कहते हैं कि मार्केटिंग के लिए बहुत तगड़ा है, बहुत बेस्ट है। एंड मैंने देखा है बहुत सारे बच्चे, कुछ बच्चे न्यू आईएम्स भी छोड़ते हैं, कुछ बच्चे बेबी आईएम्स छोड़ते हैं बिकॉज उनको मार्केटिंग के लिए एक तगड़ा ब्रांड चाहिए उनके रेज्यूमे पे। आई वुड लव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि IMT गाजियाबाद ऐसा क्या करता है कि उनका मार्केटिंग इतना स्ट्रांग है। इफ यू कैन गिव मी सम आइडिया कि सर हमारे यहाँ पे ये चीजें बहुत बेस्ट है इसलिए हमारा मार्केटिंग बहुत तगड़ा है।
So first of all, its alumni base is very big. We have our alumni on top companies of the in the country, and they are in very high positions of the company. So what it does is it gives us a network. It gives us an understanding that we can reach out to these people and understand about those companies. If some companies visiting our campus, definitely our students can get in contact with alumni, and then they help us a lot. So in that way, IMT Ghaziabad is really very great because of its alumni network. Apart from that, I think it's a very old college. It's a well-known college, so that's why it has a brand value that it matches nearly top colleges of India. So what it gives is it attracts the top companies of in the country, be it from Amazon to Infosys or top FMCG companies or all. So what it gives the student is opportunity to select from a diverse range of brands, top brands. So for example, if someone want to get into FMCG role, so they will have n number of companies to select from. Similarly, as I wanted to get into IT background, IT roles, so we had different type of companies from and different they were offering different role. So I had this opportunity to select from a diverse range of companies. So that I think made IMT Ghaziabad that is today.
So again, Satya bhai, if you can give me a little idea, कि दिन सर हमारे यहाँ पे ये वाली कंपनीज FMCG डोमेन से आती है, ये वाली कंपनी IT वाली डोमेन से आती है, एंड ये वाले पैकेजेस हमारे यहाँ पे मिलते हैं, या फिर प्रोफाइल्स, बिकॉज आई नो ब्रांडिंग वगैरह की भी प्रोफाइल IMT गाजियाबाद पे आती है, एंड दैट्स द रीजन लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर कीपिंग। तो थोड़ा आइडिया दे देना कि क्या क्या FMCG वगैरह आता है कैंपस में।
So if you talk about FMCG company, I think Britannia is there, Marico is there, Mondelez is there, Bajaj Consumer Care is there. So name the top brands of the company in FMCG, and they are visiting IMT Ghaziabad.
और Amazon के साथ अगर हम थोड़ा सा देखें तो कौन सी और कंपनीज आ सकती है?
Same bucket, Microsoft is there. It does hiring from IMT. Apart from that, Oracle was there.
Okay, so Microsoft comes from
Oracle.
management.
So basically, it came for summer internship, and I'm not very sure this year they came for finals or not, because I was already placed, so I'm not very sure about it. But definitely last year it did came. Last year it did came for my CS. It did came.
Okay.
Apart from that, Oracle is there.
कूल है यार, थैंक्स फॉर दैट. कुछ रोल्स आप बता पाओगे कि सर ये रोल्स ना आईएमटी में एक्सक्लूसिव होते हैं? मैं रीजन इसलिए आपको पूछ रहा हूँ बिकॉज अभी बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो फिलहाल इस दुविधा में है कि यार मैं क्या करूं, मैं एक्सएमडी ज्वाइन करूं, मैं बेबी आईएम ज्वाइन करूं, या मैं आईएमटी गाजियाबाद ज्वाइन करूं, बिकॉज मुझे करियर तो मार्केटिंग में करना है, बट मुझे पता नहीं कि मुझे क्या रोल्स मिलेंगे, क्या कंपनीज मिलेंगी, मेरी अर्निंग पोटेंशियल क्या क्या हो सकती है. वो बच्चों के लिए थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन है. सो आई थिंक ये वीडियो उनके लिए हेल्प करेगा. तो कुछ रोल्स के बारे में बता पाओगे?
Sales role will be widely available in top brand of the college country. Apart from that, if you want to get into IT, this year IT has done fabulous. So our placement record in IT companies are very nice this year. So that is an option for you. Apart from that, if you are looking for branding roles or brand management type of role, then you will find different companies for this also. And if you look at the package wise, I think the average package for final placement was nearly 17 to 18 lakh. I'm not very sure exact figure for this year, but last year this was the figure. So I think, yeah. And the top 20% or the top 30% of the batch placement is upside of 20 lakhs. So that is very attractive for any student who want to get into IMT. Because if you are in top 20 or 30% of the students, then definitely your salary will be in upward of 20 or 25 lakhs. So that is, I think, really very important.
Right. I think this is one piece of advice for everybody. If you are planning to join any B school, even if it can be IM, new IMs or baby IMs or anything, make sure that you are at least in top 20% or top 30%. तब जाके यार आपके जो numbers है ना वो 20, 25, 30 लाख तक मैच करने वाले हैं. But I'm happy यार कि अगर आप top 30% में आते हो तो आप 20 लाख के ऊपर चले जा सकते हो. I think that's the best thing. So, जहां तक कंपनी का सवाल है, जहां तक profiles are concerned, right? I'm very sure you must be having a huge peer group or तेरा एक circle बड़ा होगा IMT गाजियाबाद में. So if you can give me an idea, because a lot of people, a lot of students this time, they probably might have not got into new IMs. They might be gunning for some better IMs or new IMs or something like that. And now they have IMT Ghaziabad ka convert. So let's say if I have to ask you, like I'll probably put it this way, अगर किसी का न्यू आईएम मिस हो जाता है तो क्या उसको वो एक्सपोजर, वो प्रोफाइल, वो पैकेज आईएमटी गाजियाबाद में मिल सकता है कि नहीं मिल सकता?
So I'll give an example of my only. So when I was searching for different colleges and I was making a decision on which college I had to get into, I took an advice from my father's friend. So he told me the same thing, that I think I should give advice to each and everyone, that in IMT, if you look at the brand, or if you look at the company, so you will have the top companies of the country. So the companies would be visiting top IMs of IMs, and it will also be visiting IMT Ghaziabad. Maybe the package would not be same. I don't know about that, but definitely the brand will be there, and you will have a large number of pool of top brands to choose from. So that is, I think, very helpful. And I took that advice of my father's friend, and I really think that his advice was really nice, and I am giving the same advice to her.
Yeah, you are a top package getter. ये बहुत बड़ी बात होती है कि IMT गाजियाबाद जैसे दिग्गज कॉलेज से आप नंबर 1 या फिर द टॉप पैकेज आप लेके वहां से बाहर निकल रहे हो, एंड दीज आर मेमोरीज. ये जिंदगी भर आपके साथ रहेगी कि भाई 2025 का बैच का मेरा टॉप पैकेज लगा था. वुड लव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स यू डिड डिफरेंटली बिकॉज ऑफ व्हिच यू वर एबल टू बैंक दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ अ पैकेज, और फिर ऑफर है फिर टॉप पैकेज इन IMT गाजियाबाद. How did you build your resume?
As I already had tech background, so my choice was also to get into a tech company or tech role only. So that was very easy for me, because my resume and my profile was very aligned to the roles that I wanted to get into. And if you look at Amazon, it was offering some role that I had already worked into. So I had nearly 2.5 years of work from my previous company. So that the work that I had already done, Amazon was looking for something similar to that, and they were looking for, but on a business side. So that was a perfect fit for me. Apart from that, I just did multiple courses from be it Coursera or something like that, to improve my learning about project management, product management, something, and these type of certification courses I did. So that I was able to add on to my resume. Apart from that, I did. I had earlier work that really helped. Yeah, more or less this one.
How's your academics 10th 12th graduation? Because बहुत सारे बच्चे ना कंसर्न होते हैं कि सर मेरा academics इतना भारी नहीं है तो क्या मेरा placement लगेगा या नहीं लगेगा. Would you mind sharing your academics percentages 10th 12th and graduation?
It does matter. It does matter because there will be some companies which will be looking at some cutoff for 10th, 12th, and graduation marks. But overall, if you ask me, I don't think it's a big deal because let's suppose if 100 companies are coming on the campus and 5 or 10 companies maximum are looking for those criteria or putting on those criteria. But then you have 90 different companies which are not looking at these things. So then you have a lot of companies to do. And if you ask me, there is a very few companies which fix this criteria for it. So that's a good thing about if you don't have good marks in 10th, 12th of graduation. I don't think you need to worry about it.
Amazon ने लगाया
No,
था
it was not.
अरे सही है फिर तो बेस्ट चीज है. एंड
Yeah,
एमबीए
yeah.
का एकेडमिक्स कैसे रहा? चिल मारे एमबीए में या फिर बहुत पढ़ाई किया? वो एकेडमिक्स कैसा था आपका सीजीपीए वगैरह?
सो सीजीपीए मेरा एवरेज था थोड़ा क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ा सा था कि मैं सब कुछ रहना चाह रहा था और भी चीज़ें थी जो मैं सब में एटलीस्ट रहना चाह रहा था.
गॉट
सो
इट.
हाँ, एडमिक्स.
ओके फाइनल ठीक है. फाइनल क्वेश्चन फॉर यू सत्यम भाई. अभी बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो जूनियर से आपके वो अभी आईएमटी गाजियाबाद ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं. न्यू आईएम ज्वाइन करेंगे, कोई बेबी आईएम करेगा, कोई ब्लैकी करेगा. आप एक एमबीए ग्रेड हो, टॉप पैकेज आपने लिया है इंडिया के वन ऑफ द टॉप 20 स्कूल से. आप क्या इन बच्चों को एडवाइस करोगे एज अ बिग ब्रदर कि भाई अगर एमबीए में जा रहे हो ये चीजें करो और ये चीजें बिल्कुल भी मत करो? व्हाट्स द पीस ऑफ एडवाइस?
I definitely think that you need to work on your profile right from the start only because when you get into any MBA college, you will have your summer internship very early. So you will not have much of a time to work on your profile. So I'll say that when you have just got confirmation or when you are at least final confirm that you are going to join any MBA college, start working on your profile because that will help you a lot. And most of the companies that come to the campus, they do some kind of profile shortlisting for the next round of interviews or next round of placement process. So I think that profile building is very important in early time. Apart from that, I do think that some certification courses will be really helpful for you because that will strengthen your resume and also give you something to talk about in interview or placement process when you are sitting in the interviews. So yeah, I think that.
Perfect है सत्यम भाई. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग सम टाइम. आई विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर.
Thank you very much.
एंड 10 साल अच्छे से काम करो यार. जिस पैकेज पे चालू कर रहे हैं मुझे लगता है कि 10 साल में 1 CR तो आराम से अपना क्रॉस हो ही जाएगा. सो गाइस यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द पैकेज दैट ही हैज गॉट बट यार वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ एंड थैंक यू सो वेरी मच सत्यम फॉर गिविंग सम टाइम. विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. टेक केयर मैन. बाय बाय.
Yeah.
बाय.